Hi, Happy New Year! Today we are going to explore a new update from a program I use frequently called Pinokio. A new version was released over a month ago, and today I will discuss the pros and cons of this latest update. Okay, let's get started. Let's head directly to the website here at this address, pinokio.co. As you can see, the website showcases all the open source programs available for installation. Because all these apps are open source, you can download them for free and install them directly onto your computer. The site provides installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And here we click on the documentation, explains the benefits of the platform, highlighting that everything is installed locally without the need for cloud computing. It also provides a comprehensive guide on exactly how the platform functions. Pinokio is an all-in-one platform that manages various languages, including Python and Conda. As you can see on the screen, the interface acts like a built-in browser to run programs, while the backend terminal displays the code and active processes in real time. I have previously covered several programs that you can install via Pinokio, such as 1GP, which has now been renamed as 12GP. This application allows you to install tools for video generation and photo editing. It includes models like 1.2.1 and 1.2.2, as well as a flux and a set image. I have also a separate video where I dive deeper into these specific tools. But for today's video, we are focusing on the Pinokio update itself. Think of Pinokio as an app store for AI applications. I have already installed the update to show you the new interface and how it looks. As you can see, it's very similar as the homepage. The most noticeable change in this update is the organized interface. The buttons have been rearranged and the left sidebar now includes shortcuts for features like running programs remotely. If you use a VPN, you can even run programs outside of your local network. I have a VPN configured so I can access the applications installed on my local machine even when I am away. Another application I have installed is Vibe Voice, which I installed running it with ComfyUI. But with this update, you can now install it directly through Pinokio without needing the ComfyUI framework. Okay, now let's analyze the pros and cons. The primary advantage of Pinokio is the ease of installation for video generation models. You can set up a program with a single click, and Pinokio automatically handles all dependencies, models, and necessary databases. On the downside, the platform lacks a clear categorization system for its programs. This makes it difficult to identify which new tools have been released or which existing ones requires updates. Users currently have to open the program and check manually to see what is new. One new feature I find very promising, but I haven't fully tested it, is AskAI. This integration is extremely useful for troubleshooting, especially regarding models downloads. Since I am currently in China, I often face connection issues where downloads drops. This integration helps solve those technical hurdles by allowing you to consult a chatbot for solutions. Having a VPN is a necessity here, and sometimes, if a connection fails, individual files and dependencies don't save to the cache properly, forcing a restart of the download. Fortunately, large models files generally handles resumes much better. Okay, and that covers the main points of this update. It has been available for over a month, but the lack of notification system made it easy to miss. I'm still testing the various new tweaks, but I wanted to share the findings with you today. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you get notifications on my new videos. Also, if you need any assistance on any creative or AI related topic, don't hesitate to reach me. I will leave all my details in the description below. I'm very happy to help you. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to install Quadrian 1.5 using Pinokio. Click here to watch more. See you guys next time and Happy New Year. Bye bye.